Take a ride in the 2022 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, trailering package, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find SiriusXM radio, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.